Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com, and today I'm here to show you a quick video about how I made my cover page for my Winter 2022 Traveler's Notebook album. I'll be using that paper pack from Winter Forest for one last official layout for this notebook. And to start off with, I have the strip of paper that I do distress the edges using a simple card. Any type of gift card or bank card or whatever card you have lying around in your house will do for this kind of distressing of an edge. And it gives a beautiful kind of dimension to the page. Then I have the circle, and I'm also distressing the edges, the edge of that circle with a die cut from paper, pattern paper. And then I fussy cut this other piece from one of the pattern papers that contains this flower arrangement that was actually kind of wrapped around a circle or a wreath or something. So I fussy cut that out, and that's going to go on top. So I know a lot of people really go out of their way to create beautiful cover pages. I try to keep my cover pages simple because I want them to be able to go onto a shelf. And so if it has all this bulk with flowers and other embellishments, while it does really look nice, it just takes a lot of space in my shelves. So I just try to keep it simple and flat so that it's like a normal book that can go on my shelves with other things. So the last thing that needs to be done here is to glue the winter title that I die cut from pattern paper from the paper pack, and I'm arranging them so I can see where exactly this will go. So you see, this is only a single side, not the double pages, because it's just the cover page. So all of that still needs to be glued on, and then that's the finish of my Winter 2022 Traveler's Notebook mini album. So I decided to do the Traveler's Notebook size. I really kind of like that size. It's not a full size, huge just scrapbook layout where I don't know where to put it. My space is very limited, and so I'm very happy with having a smaller size album that where I can still do a lot of scrapbooking the traditional way. So here come the last few letters. I die cut them. I prefer die cuts over sticker sheets. One, I don't really have a lot of sticker sheets available where I live, but also just the die cuts, I only need to cut out what I actually need, and I don't need to waste stickers that I won't be able to use because either that letter doesn't occur or then I don't have enough letters in the end. So here come the last two numbers, and that's the end of my Traveler's Notebook cover page. Don't forget to check out my the other process videos that I made with previous pages, and there will be a video with my finished Traveler's Notebook Winter 22 album. Here are a few more close-ups. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. Bye.